everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to remove a video watermark easily for free and without login. Okay, first just open your Google browser and then just search for Unwatermark AI. And then just click on video watermark remover. And then just upload your video. And then just select the watermark area. And then after you're done, select the area of your watermark. Just remove now. And as you can see, the watermark of your video has been removed. You can just check it like this. The original still has the watermarks, and the result the watermark is already removed. And next, if you want to download the video, just click on download full video. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.